This apartment complex is a 14-storey building consisting of 26 3-bedroom and 13 1-bedroom fully furnished apartments in the best location for our students. Located at 227 North Terrace, across the road from the Adelaide University, City East campus of UniAcco, the Adelaide Museum and the Art Gallery of South Australia, the new Royal Adelaide Hospital is approximately 500 metres further down North Terrace. The City West campus of UniAcco and both Carnegie Mellon campuses are a short 5-minute walk away, as is the Central Market, the popular Chinatown and the Adelaide TAFE College. The cosmopolitan Rundle Street with its trendy cafes and coffee shops is just around the corner. Each apartment features an open-plan living and dining area with the bedrooms flowing from the lounge. Each bedroom has its own built-in robes, study desk and chair combo, a single bed with bedside table and a door that is securely lockable for your privacy. Although please note that 1-bedroom apartments have a queen-size bed. The lounge space has a 3-seater sofa, LCD TV and a dining table and chairs. The full-sized kitchen has a stainless steel oven and microwave, full-sized fridge and a gas stovetop. Doing the dishes is easy with your dishwasher. The bathrooms are modern and functional, and next to every bathroom is the laundry space. With full-size washing machine and dryer, there is no need for a laundromat for our East-West residents. The 1-bedroom apartments usually have a waiting list with a spacious 51 square metres of living space. These provide excellent value for money. With only 1 per floor, you'll have to get in quick to secure one of these. A much more affordable option is the 3-bedroom share apartment. You can either bring 2 of your friends or we can connect you with similar people to live with. The majority of apartments have a balcony to each bedroom and feature a huge 75 square metres of living, while the remaining apartments have 60 square metres of space, floor-to-ceiling windows and 1 balcony. Although you are situated in the heart of the east end of the city, you can still feel safe in your apartment complex. With secure access to the building and with only 2 other apartments on each floor, you can get to know your neighbours very well. Residents have a choice of a 6 or a 12-month lease.